Hi everyone, I'm Coach Ivy. Welcome to this Chinese characters course. Over the past 5 years, I've taught students from a variety of language backgrounds, and I totally understand the common challenges beginners face when learning Chinese characters. That's why I developed a clear, structured, and easy-to-follow learning system to help you gradually build the essential skills to recognize, write, remember, and confidently use Chinese characters. I call this method the PSA Chinese Character System. In this course, for each character, you will learn standard pronunciation, correct writing, common words, and corresponding real-life sentences, ensuring that you truly understand and can confidently use each Chinese character. At the same time, our videos use clear, animated stroke demonstrations to show correct writing sequence step by step, helping you master each Chinese character with ease. Whether your goal is to feel more confident in daily conversation, improve your business Mandarin, or prepare for the HSK exam, this course provides a clear learning path and solid practice to help you achieve it. In the next lesson, I will show you exactly how the PSA Chinese character system works and how to make the most of it so you can master Chinese characters faster. Are you ready?